Found the knob, didn't we?
We sure did.
Look how pretty it is here.
I don't think I could find it again.
We're in Falmouth.
Feel free. I'm just letting you know.
Yeah. Thank you.
So for $100, we go down this way. Expensive beach day. What's that?
You go to the knob or go down there?
Go up here, and then when you see the big square sign down there, just barely right at the sign.
So we go up the road here or
Nope.
the path?
Daddy says this path goes on for a mile. What do you think?
It's 20 miles. We left yesterday and we're just getting back.
Wow, you guys look amazing.
Keep going, Ellie. Well, there's two trails, Ellen. See? We're here now. We can choose the main trail or the Harbor Cliff Trail.
I want to go this way. Yeah, that way.
So I want to go along the water
The
side.
Harbor Cliff Trail side, so we should go that left.
But then that doesn't go out to the edge, or does?
Join us back up.
Okay. Cool. Lots of tree roots making steps. Really cool.
Yeah.
Where? Nice and shady. Pretty.
Don't fall down. Or you'll die.
Amazing.
Where do we go? To dead end. Dead end, where do we go? Where do we go to dead end then?
We're just checking it out.
Chipmunk.
It said in the thing there was a lot of chipmunks.
How warm is it, Em?
Oh, I found it in a pool. Found it in a pool. We can stick our fingers in it.
Yeah.
Feel the water. Oh, that's warm. That's warm. Feel it. Feel it with your finger.
Show me.
This
Oh yeah,
You can feel it with your finger.
that's really cool.
It's really warm. What is that? Oh, yeah, 'cause that's been out in the sun.
There goes a boat. They're getting on their boat.
That's
They're in there.
Oh, this is cut in half rough. Where are we supposed to go now?
Well, Daddy says if we go back up to the other path, we'll get to the end sooner.
I'm scared, Mommy. I want to fly.
What a gorgeous spot. Can you believe it? It definitely is a hidden treasure. Got it?
Yes.
Good
Look
job.
at Daddy go. Oh my God. This is a beach. There's no phone.
You wouldn't want to bring a stroller in here,
No, not stroller friendly. But you could certainly wear your baby if he wasn't 80 pounds.
I'm not even 80 pounds.
I know.
I'm not 80 pounds either. I'm heavier than 80. Oh, this is
Wow. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Look at this skinny. I could break it. If I wanted. Break it. I'm not gonna break it.
Yeah, it's awesome. What's in there?
Nothing. There's no owls.
No owls?
This is a good climbing tree.
Sure is.
I'm gonna climb it right now.
Be careful.
Wait.
Might be a bad idea because we have a far way to go, buddy.
If we went down there, that's a lot of rock. That's a lot of rock, so if we got on
Okay, follow Daddy.
I can just go through.
Wow! So pretty.
Oh, this is actually a
I'm stuck. There we go. Skirt was stuck.
Hike that hill.
Are you serious? There must be a way to drive to this beach. Wow!
Go to the knob.
Yes, keep going, whichever
Left.
pretty
Go
way.
left.
Beautiful! Definitely a hidden treasure. Wow! We made it to the knob. Should have brought the drone. Huh. This guy on the end here has his drone. How was that, flying it up here? Good? Awesome. Wow! Amazing, right? So worth it. Awesome little hike.